All right. Let's talk about the media. All right. Let's talk about the media. In the previous video, we stopped at when we're analyzing the social aspect of social media. Now we're going to be talking about the media. What does it mean to be a media? A media platform. Now, these social media platforms are mediums through which people sort of bond, right? But it has to do with content, right? Well, let me say here that it is multi-purpose because people do it. People go there for a lot of different reasons and all. So why I'm on social media is different from why you're on social media. So everybody is they're basically on their own lanes. So you don't want to get too carried away by what other people are doing. It's like a market. People come there to do whatever they like, so don't get too carried away when you get on social media. A lot of people at that, by the time you see their profile, you don't even know what they represent. They don't know what they're doing. They're arguing politics, they're arguing Messi versus Ronaldo. It's as if they don't know what they're doing, but that's none of your business. One of the things this course should do for you is to help you get clarity. What are you doing on social media? What are you doing on Facebook? What are you doing on Twitter? What are you doing on Instagram? What are you doing on LinkedIn? What are you doing on these different platforms? This is a question of clarity now, so that when you know exactly what you're getting into. Right? So you must know what you want from each of them. You must know, okay, this is where I build my visibility. This is going to be my major. This is where I want to express myself. All right. Now, this statement is very vital. The third one. Content is the currency for exchange. I need you to know in this market called social media, your content is the currency of exchange. It is with content that you negotiate, that you bargain, that you do the market, that you gain relevance or lose relevance. It is with content that you contend, right? It is with content that you show up. It is with content that you define your space, that you define your personality. On social media, a lot of people are not going to be able to meet you in person. That's not necessary. That's why it's a platform for meeting and exchanging information and all that. But content is the currency. Your content is your representation. It's like the ID card, right? It's good to have a good profile picture and all the paparazzi, but your content is like a piece of you that you're living there. It's like your footprint, right, on the social media, right? So every time you're going to post something, there has to be intentionality, because you're understanding that this content you're creating, this thing you're putting out there, is a representation of yourself, right? That people will relate to it. It represents your brand, it represents your business, it represents everything that you are to them that are on the platform there. So when you come to content creation, we're going to delve into all the do's and the don'ts and the how and the where and the what of content. So because this whole social media money is about content, is about content creation, is about understanding that space you have is not just to connect. Yes, connect, but remember that you have an identity there, and this identity must be preserved by all means. That's one of the reasons you're taking this course. That's one of the reasons I'm taking you on this journey. So let's back up a little bit. We were trying to understand social media. So we talked about it being a social platform where humans connect, they bond, they make relationship. It is a craft, and then what you're there to do, or the understanding of the social, the climax of it, is that the know, like, and trust factor is the social thing there. Now it's a media platform that is multi-purpose. You need to know what you're doing on it. And then content, when we say media, you're passing information, you're shaping minds. Remember I said it's a craft. It's something that social media is a powerful tool in the 21st century, not just for marketing. It's very vital for shaping a whole generation. Times have evolved. I'm doing this video during the COVID-19 lockdown in Nigeria, so time has evolved. I'm looking at this event bending time much more than we thought right now. So social media has become much more relevant than it has ever been, right? So that's why you need to reposition yourself at this moment. You need to renegotiate your relevance for this period, right? I heard that from John Obidi. That guy is cool, right? So make sure you understand this social media as being a platform where currency is what identifies you, is what represents you, is what makes you stand out. The more unique your content, the more unique your personality, the more unique your brand, the more unique your outlook, right, on social media. So in the next video, we're going to be continuing with looking at building a cultic following. So thank you very much for watching, and then as always, drop your comments, drop your connect with me, drop your questions, drop your interactions, and then let's take the conversation further. Thank you.